Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how we went from this into this. So if I already got your attention, keep watching, you'll not waste your time. My wife and I wanted to do something with the main wall of our bedroom. After looking in internet for different designs, we came across a nice design that would fit perfectly in our room. After we decided this is what we wanted, time to make some calculations. Fortunately, I've used SketchUp, a modeling tool available in your browser totally for free. First I draw our wall and then started making the design that would fit us better. The program is easy to work and you can make your own design in just under 1 hour. This solution saves you a lot of time compared with traditional pen, paper and calculator. I will leave a description below for you guys. After we know all the measures that we needed, time to go for the shop. Now time to do some cuts, cuts, more cuts, another cut, and finally cut. Now I start nail the first wall to see how it would look, to ensure that all the distance were respected. You can see it already halfway of the work done almost. I cut a couple of boards to avoid going to the saw all the time and took attention to the placement of the socket. As you can see the glue here. Yeah, it's looking good. I only applied glue on the horizontal boards, the vertical ones I just nailed them. One thing that you need to ensure while placing is that everything is straight. We don't want nothing to be unleveled after we glue and nail it. So yeah, I would say that it was what it take longer to ensure that everything was straight and with the correct measures. This project is easy to do, it's fun to do as well. If you don't have too much experience, don't worry. After all the woodwork done, I will apply this wood filler, so when I'm painting it will not be visible Where is the jointing of the wood? This is how it looks after some sanding, after I let it dry for a couple of hours to sand to make it smooth. If you have time, my advice, if this is something I will do different, I'll definitely go for the sand of all of the wood. Now I'm applying here the sealant between the wood and the wall. This will ensure that when we paint, no paint will go behind the wood and leave those holes on it. After applying this, pass with the finger to make it smoother. I decided to add as well the wood filler where I've nailed to make it even more smooth and to make sure it doesn't show up when I'm painting. So for the paint we had a completely different idea, but after speaking with the assistant in the store and taking consideration the color of our decoration, we changed our mind. It was worthy, so I advise you guys to do the same. Painting took me, I would say, 3 to 4 hours. This is the final result. I really hope that you like the effect as I like it. Yeah, that's it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video as I've enjoyed doing this project. So if you like, just let me know. If you want, yeah, why not subscribe? So see you next time.